Welcome back, Facebook friends. This is Dr. Tompkins from Tompkins Wellness Center here in Hollister, Missouri. It is a rainy day out here this April morning, but inside we're bright and happy, and we're going to talk to you about NAET being much more than just for allergies. NAET, which stands for Nembutalpad's Allergy Elimination Technique. So allergy is very broadly defined once again. I'm going to talk to you about 3 things that NAET can be used for that we wouldn't think of as allergies at all. So everybody has some blockage or barrier to assimilation of a certain nutrient. And so if we have that blockage, we're not going to be able to use that nutrient. So just imagine for a minute if your blockage was to vitamin C and how that would impact your immune system. It'd be kind of like putting a handful of change in your pocket and finding out after walking around for a few hours that your pocket had a hole in it. And you go to reach for your change and it's gone. So what do? You mend your pocket, you sew it up, or throw your jeans away, right? So imagine if it's vitamin C and you can get treated for vitamin C and make it so that your body assimilates that nutrient more effectively. How impactful is that for your health? Well, it's pretty profound. And it's going to show up in lab work and in your ability to create white blood cells effectively and fight infection. So vitamin B, what about that? Well, we know that that's like a nerve vitamin and it makes you feel really good as far as energy. So what if you're trying to do all the things you can for your energy? You're taking thyroid medication or thyroid supplement, maybe you're taking B vitamins, but your body is just not assimilating them, then this is going to have a big impact. So the second reason that we use NAET, which is really an underused purpose for NAET, but it's very effective, is if somebody does happen to have to be on a medication. Let's say a woman has to be on a birth control, or a man has to be on high blood pressure, or anyone has to be on something else for a short period of time. Maybe even somebody has to be on chemotherapy for treatment for cancer or something. Then we can actually take that medication and we can treat the patient for it, and it will diminish the negative side effects and actually help the body use it more effectively for what it was designed to be used for. So that's a pretty positive way to handle some of the negative side effects that people deal with when they're taking a medication. And then the third and last way I want to mention to you that we use NAET, we do this a lot, is if your family, your child, anybody in your family is coming down with a cold or flu, you can have them spit in a jar and understand that that sputum, what is in that jar, is basically their custom virus. There's nothing that could be more custom to them than what is in that jar. So then you bring that in and we treat it, and it helps the patient clear that virus or cold much more quickly and much more effectively. And then we also send you home with some instructions on how you can do it at home as well. Treat it at home and more effectively clear what's going on with you. So just to remember, NAET is not just about allergies, it's much more than that. And who should be tested for NAET? Well, just check on your wrist and see if you have a pulse. And if you do, you need to be tested for at least the basic 15. Have a great day, and we look forward to talking to you next week. Bye-bye.